Welcome
अच्छा
to
सुनना
another
अखिल वैसे
episode
अच्छा स्टार्ट
of
कर
Dice Kranti.
सेम थिंग मत कर भाई, 2 बार मत कर ये सेम चीज।
एक और बार ठीक है, मतलब रूल ऑफ 3 इन कॉमेडी. नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में
मतलब
Next
2
session
बार
में
ना
कर।
फिर
एक और बार ना.
एक बार किया
एक
तूने
session
already।
Next like हर एपिसोड. Welcome to another episode. Welcome to another episode of Dice Kranti presents Bhoot Patrol. This is episode number जो भी है, we'll figure it out post में. In the last episode, which was quite tense थोड़ा सा, the party enters North District. They have also met the mayor of town Prerna, who seems like कि उसको कुछ ऐसा भरोसा नहीं है भूत वूत में या फिर जो भी गड़बड़ चालू है यहाँ पर. And he seems like one of the non-believers similar to our Chandramukhi Chautala right here in the party. He was sending his town's guard into the North District to check कि क्या हो रहा है, क्यों लोग वहां से छोड़कर कहीं और रहने जा रहे हैं, क्या क्या गड़बड़ है exactly. Upon seeing the party and upon seeing a cop with the party, the mayor takes a step back and allows them to do whatever they are trying to do. Dhananjay Lathi leading the charge into the North District. The party decides to enter. अंदर जाते ही the air is cold, at least not as cold as it was in the Haveli, but thoda sa colder than the rest of the town, and lots of death in the area. Too many dead bodies, broken buildings, broken carts in this area. अंदर जाते ही Om Puri ji cast detect magic to see if there is any sorts of presence at all that he feels, and he does feel something. जैसे ही ओमपुरी कास्ट करता है डिटेक्ट मैजिक, वन ऑफ द हाउसेस ऑन द टॉप राइट कॉर्नर इन दिस ये एरिया में pings with some form of familiar magic. Familiar in the sense not something that Ompuri has studied in school but has experienced in the past 24 to 28 hours. सारे लोग नॉर्थ डिस्ट्रिक्ट एंटर करते हैं and they decide to investigate these bodies that they find. All of these bodies are very badly hurt and damaged. There are slashing marks on the bodies. And जहाँ पर ये slash हुआ, जहाँ पर भी ये cut हुआ है body पर, they see that the wounds also are slightly burnt on the edges of those slashes. जैसे ही चंद्रमुखी और धनंजय एक दूसरे बॉडी को इन्वेस्टिगेट करने जाते हैं, जहां पर चंद्रमुखी बीइंग अ बिट मोर कंसिडरेट क्लोजेस द आईज ऑफ द बॉडी and feels its squishy eyes as she closes the eyes. I said eyes too many times, so that's fine. And while Om Puri and Dinesh are investigating another body somewhere to the south of the map, suddenly, even before Om Puri can notice it, Dinesh sees that the book that Om Puri has, the Bhu Kitab, is vibrating. And before he could say anything, something from the darkness leaps onto Om Puri, making him fall to the ground. Yes, this beast. Exactly. And Chandramukhi and Dhananjay also see this beast a little further ahead. That is where we had ended. That is where we will be resuming. Roll initiative.
Oh, fuck. Okay.
And
go.
it's going to be a surprise round. So these
They-
beasts
ah.
surprised you.
What a
So
surprise.
they get one entire round additional. Like they go one round, then they go again, and then you guys go.
Oh.
Beasts. Oh wait, there's 2
What?
of them.
I
Wait,
mean,
they
वहाँ पर
go
ऊपर
2
एक और फिर
rounds.
ऊपर एक. Roll initiative and add your tokens to the initiative tracker.
Oh shit.
I will roll for the things.
I have gotten a 15 plus 4,
Okay, not bad.
19.
I got a 14 plus 5, 19.
Oh nice.
Damn,
Good
great
numbers.
rolls.
साथ में कॉम्बो पे लेंगे हम।
Oh, can we do that?
Essentially.
I mean, honestly, if you both हाँ दोनों का same initiative है तो you
Technically,
can
that
do
is,
that.
yeah.
I mean,
Like
me
a-
and Dhananjay are together anyway, so.
Yeah, कुछ if you want to go a combo
Situation-
thing.
I didn't know
In
ये सब भी allowed
geographically.
है D&D में.
Geographically.
मिस्टर ओमपुरी आपका कितना रोल है?
I rolled an 8 plus 3, 11.
Nice. And I rolled a solid nat 1.
I knew it. Whenever you say solid, it's
Yeah.
really a one.
Oh boy.
No, solid can be 2 also.
So that area is the Nat 1 area now.
Yeah.
Oh, भाई
Wait,
8
you
roll
don't-
किया मैंने.
Scared.
do you
हाँ,
still
but पिछले सेशन में
do
Yeah.
you still add the initiative?
Yes,
On a-
yes, you
on a
do.
nat one?
Nat 1, Nat
Yes,
20
yes,
का
yes,
initiative में कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
No, okay. That's a solid 6.
Oh,
Not bad.
good.
You have a
Uh,
plus 5 to your initiative?
Yeah,
Yeah,
so
me
does Chandramukhi.
What? Crazy.
Why do you think I don't believe in ghosts? Oh.
तेरा कैमरा अटक गया.
She is the
Actually-
ghost.
चली गई वो. फिर से बोल.
फिर से कर wait हाँ.
Why do you think I believe in ghosts? I
अबे
don't
चल.
believe in ghosts.
बार-बार रीटेक मत दे.
उल्टा बोल दिया.
All right, it is now the monster's turn. They get 2 rounds before you guys get to go because they
So wait,
surprise
the
you.
monster is on top of
Yes.
me right now, right?
Yes.
One of them is on top of you.
One of them is on top of you. Yes. How तेरा HP कितना max HP?
मैं नहीं बताऊंगा. मैं क्यों बताऊं?
All right, it is this one.
4
जितना भी है हो गया.
4 HP.
Oh jeez, get ready to
Bro,
roll a
sorted.
new character, I guess.
न्यू कैरेक्टर वही रहेगी भूतनी.
Armrest पूरे होएगा.
This guy over here
No.
who has number 1 on the token goes first.
नाम नहीं बताया उसने उसका. Damn it.
राकेश.
Okay. Scale. All right. You see, Chandramukhi, this creature that has just appeared तेरे सामने starts, मतलब in a weird way galloping towards you, full all fours पे कूदते हुए, like jumping 10 feet in one leap. It comes close to you. As it comes close to you, you hear that it is kind of like growling, snarling आवाज है, but it also feels like it is mumbling something in comprehensible, but कुछ तो बात करने जैसी आवाजें आ रही है उसके मुंह से. Give me a wisdom saving throw.
Oh shit. Okay.
कबड्डी ऐसे मम्मल कर रहा हूँ.
I rolled 12.
Oh, 12? Okay, yeah, that's a success. For a
Plus-
second, you feel tera head gets like a little light due to something, but you're able to like still stand your ground and see that this particular creature has raised both its hands and is going to strike you with it. That is going to be a
Cinema.
yeah,
What
14
the hell?
plus 2, 16.
16 damage.
No, 16 to hit.
16 to hit.
Oh, I was.
क्या फ्रेम में पास है?
क्या frame pass हो गया? Cinema.
16 damage.
Dude,
Cinema.
dude. इतना ऐसे pounce करके आया. I was like, fuck. 16
Wow.
does hit, yeah.
Okay. It is going to.
भाई से मुंह मत बना बे अखिल.
I did not
मत कर साले.
remember. I did not remember कितना था.
1d2 कर दे 1d2. He's counting.
You take 15 piercing damage
What?
as it slashes you with both of its hands.
Brothers.
That's insane. I am standing
That's
like
like-
this boat. My hands are now scratched by this guy. Ouch. Okay.
That is its turn. That is all it is going to do in its turn. Now the number 2, which is on Om Puri right now, standing on top of you.
Whoa, what do you mean number 2 that's on me, huh? ये कब हुआ?
Dinesh, of course, Om Puri has his face on the ground, on the mud. तो उसको कुछ दिख रहा नहीं है. But Dinesh, you see clearly right in front of you. Even before you can react, you see उसका जो वो tongue ऐसा
Oh.
घूम रहा है out of its mouth.
Hmm.
It retracts into this creature's mouth. The mouth closes, and like the cheeks kind of as a blow up. He opens his mouth, and you see this bright, luminescent green that just pours over Om Puri.
Oh.
Yucky.
Dude. तू ही हो जाता उससे
Mud.
better.
Mud plus green goo.
Give me a dexterity saving throw, Om Puri, with disadvantage.
ऐसे कैसे? Hold up. Hold up.
Yeah, same आवाज निकाल के थूका हुआ तेरे पे.
मैं वही बोल रहा था.
कुछ नहीं है क्या मेरे पास? Okay, it does. Okay, dexterity saving throw, right? Okay.
Yes,
Ya Allah.
the DC is low.
A 14, but you said disadvantage के साथ.
Yes, with disadvantage.
Oh boy. A 2 plus 3, which is 5. GG's. मैं नया कैरेक्टर बना रहा हूँ.
You take क्या था ये?
Has already decided how much you take, by the way.
You take
Oh no.
5 burning damage,
Oh.
Oh.
and you are blinded until your next turn.
मेरी तो आंखें नीचे है.
Oh, not until your turn, until this creature's end of next turn, which will
What?
be very soon.
Which
मेरी
is
आंखें
soon
जमीन के अंदर है?
only.
Do I make a
Right.
case? Damn it.
You know what? Roll dexterity. I mean, I see the logic उसमें. It makes sense कि तेरा चेहरा तो नीचे है, so it doesn't directly enter. So make a dexterity. You feel this acid running like behind on the top of your back and neck पे, and you feel it's like coming onto your face. Roll straight up dexterity, no advantage, disadvantage.
Just
Maybe
saying,
it goes
guys.
through his skull.
साले. Just
शैम्पू
saying,
जैसा शेप होता है साइड.
Akhil is being nice to me. I hope I get a nice role.
रेयर अल्ट्रा
वरना all of this is gonna go to waste. और वो अगले 5 साल जितने भी campaigns होंगे, he'll never be lenient.
इतने बात करने के बाद वन रोल करेगा ये.
That's a 12 plus 3, 15.
Oh, that's good.
Ah, that's
Okay,
nice. Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
You're able to like avoid it getting into your eyes.
और भी
at
नीचे जाता हूँ
least.
कीचड़.
Yes, but you do take the 5
Okay.
burning damage.
But अभी now he'll attack you.
No, now it is the number 1 again, which had attacked Chandramukhi.
Fuck.
Chandramukhi, you see this creature having already attacked you. Like, it's almost as if uska wo pehla attack complete ho gaya. It is landing down on its all 4 limbs. Or the same thing. You see the tongue retract into the mouth. Muh band hota hai, khulta hai, and you see this green acid splash at you. Roll dexterity saving throw.
Oh shit, guys, how can I roll so bad today?
Oh no.
I rolled a 3 plus 5, 8. I am.
Dead.
ठीक है, you do take damage. That is a fail. But oh, it's a 4 burning damage again, similar to
साले?
क्या तेरे को भी 5 ही मिला था।
मेरे को 5 उसको 4
पहले का 15 भूल गया क्या उसको?
अबे आने वाला है भाई उसको आइडिया मत है, आने वाला है अभी वो
I am so weak right now.
All
Oh
right.
no, she's
That
bloody.
is again one. Oh wait. In this turn again, you hear the same mumbling of this creature. Give me a wisdom saving throw again with disadvantage because you had succeeded the last time.
Holy moly.
Yes,
ये क्या
Chandramukhi.
बात हुई? एक बार नहीं सुना तो वो अभी जोर से बात कर रहा है क्या? इसलिए disadvantage होता है।
कान के पास है कि कुछ कर रहा हूँ
6 सेकंड से कर रहा हो अभी वो और भी
Ooh, 19 plus wisdom saving throw ना?
Yeah, ठीक है. Enough. Like.
22.
but disadvantage
yeah.
ना
Yeah.
लेट्स गो
No, no, no.
Oh,
I had said with. Did I?
No, you said
wait,
disadvantage.
yeah, you said with
Disadvantage.
disadvantage.
Did I say
Yes.
disadvantage or did I
Yes,
say
you
advantage?
did.
Because see,
You did.
in my head, I was like, she succeeded the first time, so it has to be advantage. I think I said advantage.
You said
If
this
not
one.
Yeah,
that-
no, you said disadvantage. That's why I made the joke also.
Oh no, but
Wow.
I meant advantage because the
Advantage.
first time
Makes
you had
sense. Yeah,
succeeded, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
In my brain, the
Sure
calculation
was.
was advantage only.
okay
Do a reroll. Maybe I got a 20.
Yes.
Yeah, of course.
Always
Fucking
reroll.
shit, I got 19 only.
That's
Nice.
दो बार
That's
दो बार
right.
19 crazy
हाँ वही ना.
Nice. So yeah, you succeed. This time again, even like you don't feel the like lightheadedness, but you do feel कुछ तो हो रहा था तेरे दिमाग में. You're able to overcome it. You're standing your ground. It is number 2 again, who just vomited on Om Puri.
उनका
And
initiative
as soon as that happens, Om, you feel तेरे पीठ के ऊपर जो 4 limbs थे, that have gone to 2 limbs now. And Dinesh, you see that उसने सामने वाला 2 हाथ उठाया है.
Oh.
Made
अरे
it
bro,
into a
तेरे
very
नीचे
sharp
ही है
claw.
यार.
And
अरे मार भाई वो तेरे नीचे है वो.
Vertical reaction, bro. He was like, oh.
I
and
was like, what do you think?
Dinesh, you see those hands come down to slash Om, which is
Oh.
going to be
Oh.
a
I'm technically prone by the way
7 to hit.
okay look I don't want to fuck my case up but
That
Wow,
is an
you
advantage
take that
when prone.
advantage.
Correct.
exactly
Thank you.
a 7 does
Wow.
not hit
But wait,
Respectable
it's
player.
going to be rolled with advantage now.
Fuck. Not 20.
मैकेनिक्स के नाम पे गांड मरवा रहा हूँ भेंचोद अपनी
I think
That
he
is
gets
9
inspiration for
plus
that.
2.
No?
11
Yeah.
11 plus 2, 11.
does not hit bitch
Yo!
Honesty is rewarded by good luck. I guess.
by the dice gods.
भाई अभी आधा डैमेज बोलेगा चुप रहे भाई
It misses completely. Like it goes kind of off balance because तू नीचे ऐसा wriggle कर रहा है उसके like you're struggling. It goes off balance and now it is right where it is. Like it's next to you.
oh, okay cool, cool.
We go to the start of the combat now. I feel like Sam Reich in Make Some Noise. That brings us to round 1.
Great reference.
Good reference. Our audience knows.
Chandramukhi,
Audience यहाँ
it
बैठी
is,
है भाई
Chandramukhi, it is your
ये part
turn
कटो।
with Dhananjay.
All right, Chandramukhi.
Ruk. I need to take it again.
Okay.
Yeah, do that again.
Because मैं बोल रहा था Chandramukhi and बटी का था ये part कट करिए मत. Yeah, Chandramukhi, it is you and Dhananjay. You guys decide who goes first, who goes second.
Can we not
With
go together?
Om up next. You can go together. Let me know how you are trying to do that.
I shout, Dhananjay, help! My hands are burning. He slashed my hands and threw acid on me.
Khatam turn.
Before she says, Dhananjay, help, pull my shield out, which was on my back. One hand shield, one hand pistol, like the
Are you gonna-
my favorite CS 1.6 loadout. And
Quick!
above table, I am going to attack first. Okay. Take my pistol and immediately shoot for 1.
All right. Roll to attack.
Okay. I nat 1. I got a nat 1.
भाई I thought बस nat 20 आया था.
Huh?
Chandramukhi
Bye bye,
gets
Chandramukhi.
shot in the back.
I mean,
That was a
I mean, fitting
maniacal
punishment.
laugh of anger.
It's a nat one.
it is an at one.
It is a
And
nat one.
earlier, in another campaign of ours on this channel, a nat one did get similar.
Bit me in the
treatment.
ass.
I would. No.
I was a victim of being hurt by a nat one in one
But
game.
you weren't there in that campaign.
Yeah.
Oh, but उसमें इसमें भी हुआ था साले तेरा एल्ड्रिच ब्लास्ट मेरे को लगा था एक बार.
वो तो offline campaign है. I'm talking about online lore.
Okay.
But in that entire panic situation where Chandramukhi is like shouting at you to help, you shoot. First, you take out the shield and you shoot. But the motion is so quick and like somehow it's very like kind of confusing thoda sa tere liye. Although you've done this multiple times, but for some reason, this thing standing in front of you, something you've never seen before, amidst all of this chaos of death, the bullet that you shoot hits the shield that you're holding in front. Like somehow your gun is behind the shield and it hits the shield and it goes past your head, scratching your ear and taking like a chunk of your ear off.
Oh fuck.
You take like one, what would it be, piercing damage.
Oof.
Dude, I thought
Ten,
you
sure.
say it hits Om Puri. वो मैप में right behind him, by the way. If you know.
तेरे घर आके तेरे को अभी के अभी मारता मैं.
The bounce of the bullet. As soon as that happens, I'm like, fuck. And in my head, I'm like, these
Why are you
government-
Amitabh Bachchan suddenly? Stop it.
It's just a coincidence that when Dhananjay says Benjo, he sounds like Amitabh Bachchan. But in his head, he's just mad about, this old ass government pistol that he's been carrying for years and it backfired on him. But yeah, that is my action. For my bonus action, I am going to do lay on hands.
Oh, nice.
And like I keep my hand on Chandramukhi's shoulder and I say ki piche raho tum, and I go like a step a little forward, like over here essentially, and as I'm doing it, my hand is still on her shoulder and I give her 10 healing points basically, so 10 HP.
Oh,
Oh, nice.
lovely.
Nice. Good support.
Yes, and I stand with my shield out and my pistol staring at the one. That's my turn.
Okay. I'm going to take out my daggers, which I think I can use both haath se because I have 2 daggers. Can I?
Yes.
And I'm already close to him. I'm going to aim for its mouth. First I'll roll and then I will describe.
No, I would say describe it first.
Okay. So I'm going to take the 2 daggers and initially they're going to be pointing towards each other. And then as soon as it's inside his mouth, I'm going to slash it. So sides of his
Ooh,
mouth are
beautiful. Love it.
open.
Chelsea grin.
Now is the time.
Let's go. Chainsaw Man.
Does
देख
it
लिया था.
happen?
Please.
Oh my fucking god! Oh my god!
What?
Nat 20. Nat
Yo!
20.
No way. Let's
Balanced
go.
out.
Go.
Perfect.
Beautiful.
Plus 5. So 25.
That doesn't nat
so-
20 पे it's
That
directly double
attack
damage.
में nat 20 best
Aye.
ever.
Wait, so
Roll
I doubled
damage?
them.
Yeah, roll damage and it's doubled.
Okay.
Hi. That is crazy.
अभी तक damages का 2 roll करेगी.
ऐसा मत
Oh,
बोल यार,
it's,
हम लोग सेम टीम में सब.
6 damage करती हूँ मैं. Plus like double it.
So 12.
12
12.
damage.
Beautiful.
Yes.
Uh,
Wait. Is it 6 plus something that you have to add, or is it total 6?
टोटल 3 आया है 1d4 रोल करना है तो
Oh,
3 आया
1d4 plus
Okay.
3. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
You put your daggers into this creature's mouth. Yes.
I'm using both my daggers so दोनों के लिए रोल करूँ या one only?
That is actually a good question because what you rolled was for one dagger. I would say with the nat 20, roll just damage once more.
Okay.
Nice.
And that
Just
will also
fucking
get
roll.
doubled because of the nat 20.
Insane. I'm so
Nice.
glad मैंने starting में damage ले लिया with that stupid roll. But I rolled a 4. 4 plus 3. 7. So
Well,
double
7,
that 2.
14.
So 14,
14.
plus 12,
Plus
which
12.
is 26 damage.
6.
You like put your daggers into its mouth and you like just slit its like lower jaw apart. And Dhananjay, you see, Chandramukhi, you also see, uska jo niche wala jaw hai, it is kind of hanging by just like by the tendons that is there, tendons and muscles and stuff. It is not able to move it. It is not able to do anything. It is just, yeah. And this beast lets out a very loud and painful screech. It was 26 damage, no? Okay. Crazy.
Insane damage.
Beautiful. Beautiful
वो
work.
मरा नहीं अभी तक?
Nahi.
But how does he look?
Now,
In
Looks
vain.
pretty on like its feet. Not like,
What?
yeah.
Oh.
Very blood flowing and like very, yeah, but doesn't seem like it's weak otherwise. That was you two, Om Puri. It is your turn with number 1 up next.
but wait, I would my bonus action. I would like to use steady aim. That will give me an advantage on my next round.
Beautiful.
Nice.
Damn.
Yeah, and I will move thoda sa.
Pretty nice.
That would
If you step away, you'll get opportunity attack.
yeah, attack of opportunity trigger hoga from the creature.
I will
Uh,
not move.
Also, I think for steady aim, you're not supposed to move.
In your next turn,
Uh,
I think so. But till you do the next attack.
E-
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Till the
yeah.
end of your current turn. Yeah.
Hmm.
और anyways मतलब तू हिल नहीं सकती because attack of
हाँ.
opportunity होगा. ठीक है, that is your turn.
Yes.
Okay, Om Puri, it is your turn. The creature is not on you anymore, but तू नीचे है, prone है.
Is the creature mumbling anything? Can I hear anything?
Yes, it is mumbling. You can hear, and I would say no. Unless you decide to stand up, you wouldn't be doing a wisdom saving throw because you can't really hear it अच्छे से from where you are.
So I can't make out what it's saying? What it's
No.
mumbling?
No, you right now तू जमीन पर है तो you can only hear
Yeah.
the growling and snarling.
Okay. What is around me? Are there like rocks, dead people?
Yes.
And the dead person, is that a skeleton or is that like a rotting body?
The one near you, it's almost like a skeleton. But I would say, agar tu like, I would say if you are, like, if you have been thinking about this, like looking at that thing for long
Yeah.
enough, give me an intelligence roll also, just as a bonus action. If you have any other bonus action planned, then don't give this. But
No, I don't have any bonus action, वैसे.
all right, then as bonus action, give me an intelligence check.
That's a nat 20.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Crazy
Yeah.
rolls. Wow. Beautiful. With a nat 20, you can see that although this particular, like that body in front of you is not completely skeleton yet, it is closer to getting a skeleton, but तू इतनी देर से नीचे से उसको देख रहा है, you've been able to also decipher कि जो उसका अभी हालत है is not because of decomposition or like just natural state. It's been cleaned, so to speak. And by looking at the creatures that are attacking you and the other clues, hints towards that probably these creatures were eating off of that
Oh,
body.
Okay. The head part, is it a skeleton or is it flesh?
The head is a skull.
The head is a skull? Okay. Would you say it weighs more than 2.2 kgs?
2.2 kgs. I don't know how much a skull weighs. Wait, let me check. Normally,
like-
how much does a
okay.
skull weigh?
With the brain, it's a kilogram, right?
But there's probably no brain.
There's no brain.
An adult
A lot
human
of things
skull
on
weighs
Google.
around 2 to 2.5 pounds, which is like 1.1 kg.
Damn, I thought it will be more for whatever reason.
Depends.
But now, let
But
me
what if
also.
he was as
Hmm.
tall as the Great Khali?
I'm just seeing.
I love this kind of fact checking.
Okay.
Oh, music.
Uh, my. How many kgs did you say?
2.2 से नीचे होना चाहिए.
नीचे होना चाहिए या ऊपर?
2.2 से कम होना चाहिए.
Oh, 2.2 से कम. Okay.
वो तो obviously होगा.
फिर तो है. Yes,
Okay.
it is.
He's cooking.
I
Let
look
it
at
cook.
the skeleton. मैं तो खोज रहा हूँ कि screwdriver कहाँ है? मेरा screwdriver. I find the screwdriver. I whip it out. I point it towards the dead cadaver over there, and the head comes off the skeleton, and it goes. It flies up. I lift my screwdriver up. It flies up 90 feet in the air, and it stays there for 2 seconds before I say fall, and I let go, and it's gonna fall on top of this number 2's head. I'm casting catapult.
Yo!
Wow. Never seen this, but that's cool.
This is the first time I've seen this spell.
Yeah.
Insane.
Dex
Yeah, me too.
save throw
Dex saving throw. Okay.
is required to be rolled for monster number 2. Oh, please fuck up.
10 minus 1, 9.
It
Oh.
fails.
Let's
As the
go.
skull
Damn.
from 90 feet up in the air comes crashing down. It's going to hit monster number 2 right in the face. And I'm going to roll for damage now. Now, the thing
Let's
is,
go.
I don't have enough dice. So I'll have to roll like 1 dice
What?
4 times. Hold up.
What?
Oh,
Oh, crazy.
4D what?
46?
No. 48.
48.
Yo!
Oh my god. He's...
Alright.
Damn.
I have a
Oh,
D8.
it's
Hi.
I'm
that is
casting it at
insane.
level 2.
Nice.
Oh,
Nah.
okay.
4
Mhm.
plus 4
8,
plus 8
16.
Oh,
16,
plus 2.
18.
So that's 18 points of bludgeoning damage.
Oof.
And strike a creature. The creature's on a fair. Number of strikes each take. Yeah, that's fine. Oh, I actually can lift something heavier. I didn't realize. Okay, but that's fine. Yes. Yeah, that'll be kitna hua abhi? 18, right?
18.
18 points of
18.
bludgeoning damage. Yes.
Beautiful.
Nice. You see the skull falls from 90
The skull also
feet.
shatters, by the way.
सीधा इसके ये creature के मुंह पे it shatters completely, leaving छोटा छोटा wounds which are now bleeding all over its face. And you also see that a part of its horn up here, like the right horn, has also chipped because of the impact of the skull. It takes 18 damage. Still standing, little more angry.
I use my movement. I mean, I'm still lying down when I do this. I use half of my movement to stand up, and I can't really. With 15 feet, I can move after standing up. So, knowing that Dinesh is behind me, I will attempt to walk around it
All
You know
right,
what?
you are able to.
through its legs.
Is that
'Cause
your
fuck
turn?
it, why not? मजा करो, साइड से जाता हूँ.
ठीक है. Is that your turn?
That is my turn.
All right. It is now number 1 who Chandramukhi had sliced jiska lower jaw into 2 parts. You see that creature, Dhananjay, abhi tu seedha face to face standing in front of it. You see it like maintains this very intense eye contact with you, and while maintaining that eye contact, you see its right hand goes up, holds that lower part of the jaw, and like breaks it off, throws it to the side. You see this lower jawless creature with a tongue and like the just the start of its esophagus contracting and expanding, looking at you.
And
It is going to do the same slashing attack on you.
Oh no.
It leaps into the air to jump on you. That is a 12 plus 2, 14 to hit.
You said it leaps.
Yes.
As it leaps, shield up, it slides down because it doesn't meet my AC.
Yo, nice. Beautiful. As it leaps onto the air to attack you, you are like already on your ऐसा 100% focus पे already है from the bullet incident earlier. You raise the shield up, it lands on the shield, and you kind of push it away, landing it on its feet again. Your shield is थोड़ा सा covered with the blood that is dripping from its.
It's like the the bamboo stick wala shield.
Ah,
The riot
nice.
shield basically.
Yeah.
So the blood seeps from between.
Nice. That is the number 1's turn. It is now Dinesh, your turn with number 2.
So as Dinesh sees the skull explode on this monster's head, he's going to immediately use fainting attack.
Okay.
So I'm going to expend one of my superiority die. That gives me an advantage on my next turn, which is now my next attack.
Crazy.
I've never heard
Oh.
of this die.
wait, what?
Crazy.
Superiority die.
Are we
Mechanics are happening.
6.2?
And with that, I am going to roll for an attack. That means I'm just
Go
going
ahead.
to take my great sword out, and I'm just going to go straight stab into the stomach.
Oof.
Classic.
Nice.
Classic.
And you do this with advantage, right?
With advantage. So that's 12 plus 6, but it's a 16 plus 6.
Oh.
It's a 22.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, both of them hit. Roll attack.
All right.
Bit of a
Now, because it
rolling up
hit,
his sleeves.
because it because it hit, and I had a fainting attack, I not only do I get to roll for damage, that is 2d6 plus 4, but I also roll a 1d8 to add.
Oh,
Crazy.
Oh, okay.
truly
Right.
superior dice.
So 1 plus 4, 5. And it's a 6. So 5 plus 6, 11. And then we will add.
Damn,
oh, my
okay.
bad. We'll add a 6 to that. So 11 plus 6, 17.
17.
Yo, 17 is pretty good. You you like stab with your great sword, and again, this creature screams in pain. It was 17, no?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, cool. It's still standing. Holds the blade as you insert it into its abdomen. Is that your turn?
That's my turn, yeah.
All right. It is now number 2's turn. Uh, as you attacked number 2, Dinesh, you see again its mouth contracting, the tongue inside, closing up, the cheeks filling up, and it opens and it spits acid onto your face while holding onto your blade, which is in its abdomen right now. 5 plus 2, 7.
Oh, 7 damage.
No. Oh wait,
7
what?
to hit.
Why am I rolling?
Yeah, why
have
are
to
you
roll
rolling?
for dexterity? What the
Yeah.
fuck?
Nice.
मैंने इसमें मैं narration में इतना ही हो गया, only क्या I have to roll
We all patiently. I was like thinking that I was wrong pehle and I didn't keep track.
dexterity saving throw.
Dex 7, right?
Yeah.
Oh, not 1.
Oh no.
Bro, that's crazy.
Chalo, it's nice. At least I get to see what effect it does actually.
नहीं पढ़ ना, मतलब अलग से बुक ले, पढ़ उसके बारे में क्या करता है वो.
Oh, interesting.
Dude, terrible dice.
You take 2 burning damage and you are blinded until this creature's next turn.
Oh fuck.
2. So how much damage am I? Oh, just 2
2.
burning. Okay, I thought
Yes.
2 different
That's
kinds of
not too
burning
bad.
damage.
That's not
Seven
too
to
bad.
You took 2
That is number
damage
2's
too,
turn.
Sab.
We go to the start of the round. Chandramukhi, what are you doing?
Guys, when number 2 bola.
So I have advantage on this attack. Also, I can take the sneak attack also, right? Because
Yes, 'cause you have advantage.
Yes, you
Yes.
have advantage.
Yes.
Yes.
and
Nice.
also Dhananjay is there. So I'm going to take my what am I taking? Short sword this time,
Ooh.
and because it has finesse wala thing. This time I'm going to cut his hand. Actually, no, one of his leg. Whatever.
Okay.
Not whatever.
Nice.
One his leg. So I'm going to roll for it. I have advantage.
Mhm.
So this is insane. How am I getting the same rolls?
19
I
again?
rolled a 7. No,
Oh.
no, I
Oh.
rolled a 7 plus 12. Does a 12 hit?
12 does hit.
Oh my god! Okay.
Oh, what a generous
This-
DM.
So these creatures are basically a glass cannon. So
Yeah.
इनका
Oh.
DCs DCs are also very low.
Oh, glass cannon. Okay.
Yeah.
I don't know what a glass cannon
It's a term, yeah, fair.
Okay, so now tell me, ये finesse के लिए what do I have to do anything specific?
No, you just roll for damage and then add the sneak attack wala damage also.
How much is
Finesse
sneak
क्या है?
attack? 4d6 or something?
I think
2d6.
it's
2d6,
8d12. अबे नहीं
Okay, so
अबे
first
लिटरली
I'm
कल
going
आया
to
था यार
roll-
पैच नोट्स नहीं पढ़ते क्या तुम लोग?
I want to roll.
Level 3, 8d12 damage. Crazy.
याद रखो 7 plus 2d6. तो 7 plus 6 plus 6. 7 plus 6 plus 6.
19.
उतना damage.
19.
19.
Beautiful.
I do
Nice.
19 damage.
You try to ऐसा chop off उसका पैर. You get a good enough depth into उसका पैर, but you're not able to chop it completely off. But it is very, मतलब it's not able to stand वो leg पर अभी. It's a very deep cut. You've also chopped off good chunk of flesh from this creature's body. That was how much? 19, no?
Yes.
All right. Yeah, this number 1 looks pretty bad right now.
डॉक्टर दिखा.
अबे यार.
क्या? मेरे को नहीं समझा.
Num-
नहीं
number
समझा,
one looks
समझा
pretty
मैं।
bad.
Don't
Chat,
cut
if
this
you
so that
understood that,
people.
let us know.
हमें comments में बताइए.
If you are at this point, write number 1 in the comments.
Oh my god.
All right, Dhananjay.
All right. After I
With-
see
Mm.
Chandramukhi almost crushing the creature's leg, I am a little annoyed by my pistols backfiring. So I just go for a straight punch. Even though the pistol is in my hand, I try to like smack its head basically with it.
Pistol whip.
Yeah.
सही
So
में
it will
police
be an
वाला है भाई
unarmed
ये तो.
strike.
Mhm.
It will be an unarmed strike. Oh, okay. 17 plus 5.
Hits.
22. Okay. How much damage does this do? Why does my thing not say?
It
Is it a
says on the
1d4?
right.
If it doesn't
What
say,
What
you
is
can make it
Lati
up.
rolled
You
unarmed
can make it
damage
up.
of 4?
Oh yeah, I think it just
Ah.
does fixed 4 damage. I
Yeah.
don't think I have to
Yeah.
roll for that.
Yeah.
It's just
Yeah,
fixed.
it's fixed.
But on top of that, because I just did unarmed strike, what I can do for my bonus action is
Fireball.
Divine Smite.
Yo.
Close enough.
Which is immediately after hitting a target with melee weapon, I can do a Divine Smite. It does 2d8 damage. Let me remember what the d8 looks like.
Type of damage is radiant, right?
This.
Hey yo.
Oh, true. It is.
हाँ बोल.
Okay.
कुछ तो कुक हो रहा है इधर.
Okay, 4 plus 4. 8 radiant
Double.
damage. So the way it looks is like as I'm hitting him, just very coolly, the glare of the sun hits my pistol and it like brightens the view as I like smack him in the head.
Damn.
For 8
Beautiful.
extra damage.
So as you like raise your pistol to strike this creature, for like this very small minor second, there is like this singular beam of sun that comes onto your pistol. It's almost as if time stops for a second. It hits your pistol, and then through your pistol, it hits this beast as well. That is 8 radiant, you said.
Yes.
And what was with the unarmed one?
4. 4
Four.
bludgeoning.
Okay, so 4 bludgeoning and 8 radiant. That becomes 16 from the radiant and 4, so total of 20 damage.
Gaya bhai.
How does this creature
Let's
fall to the ground?
Okay. Dhananjay doesn't really kill, but in the exception that this is now a monster and not a guy, not a dude, he feels like he can finally let go, and he puts his years of frustration of trying to stop people in riots. I don't know what you guys are laughing at. The frustration of his work all bleeds into his smack, and so as the light shines, the metallic base of the pistol just like cracks on the demon's head, and you hear like this crunch sound,
Ooh.
and the creature just like flops to the ground basically.
All right.
Then he looks at
As the creature flops to the ground, limp body flops. As soon as the body hits the ground, there is like this puff of black smoke that erupts from this body. And once, like within like 1 second or 2 seconds ke andar, the smoke disappears and the body is nowhere on the ground.
Oh, okay.
Is that your turn?
Um,
I would say you can move, and since it's also Chandramukhi's turn, at the same time you both can also move. Like तुम लोग का if
Right,
movement
true,
बाकी है तो.
yeah, I will see the other creature and I will hear the screamings it did. So I will try and run as close to that as I can. Let's see, how much is 30 feet? Yeah, I will be here. Araya
right.
is what I say as I run towards them. Morramat.
Whose side are you
Om-
on?
Om Puri, it
तुम्हारे
is your
side.
turn.
Oh shit.
खत्म कर दो.
दिनेश ने अपना स्वॉर्ड मारा था, राइट? स्टैब किया था नंबर
It's
2
still there.
Yes, जो अभी भी उसके
It's still
एब्डोमेन
there.
में उसने पकड़ के रखा है.
आर पार गया है क्या थोड़ा सा? Do I see the tip of the sword on the other side of the monster?
It was a great sword, no, Dinesh?
It was a great sword.
I would say गया है आर पार, काफी
Yeah.
लंबा है. These are pretty lean creatures.
I hold my screwdriver and just so gently I tap.
Before
The
you
edge
do
of that-
anything, Dinesh, you are not touching the sword, right? I
he's
think you are
the
holding on
hilt.
to the sword.
I mean, he is holding
Yeah.
it.
I am holding it.
Okay,
and
cool, cool.
and of course leather का grip होता है वहां पे उसमें,
हाँ,
right?
true.
Like there is a grip to the
Depends on
great
the sword.
अपना or
Depends
like a
on the
wooden
sword.
hilt to it.
I would say seeing that Dinesh जैसे ड्रेस करता है, there is definitely a leather grip.
Leather,
Exactly,
yeah.
right?
Yeah.
बच गया बहनचोद. So very gently with my screwdriver I tap the tip of the great sword and I'm going to cast shocking grasp that will
Ooh.
travel through
Ooh.
the great sword
Ooh.
into monster number 2. It's an attack
Nice.
roll, so that's a wait नीचे line मतलब 9.
नहीं.
हाँ
नीचे line मतलब 6.
I mean, जो भी
नहीं.
नंबर है उसके नीचे लाइन
नीचे लाइन है मतलब
हाँ,
9
तो
है.
9,
हाँ
9.
हाँ हाँ.
9 plus 6 15.
15 to hit.
Yeah.
Yeah, hits.
Okay, then I roll damage. Wait. Oh, here, sorry. It's only 1d8. That's 8.
Nice.
That's 8 lightning damage. And it cannot make opportunity attacks until the start of its next turn.
Oh,
Pretty cool.
beautiful. Okay. So that is कितना बोला तू?
8 lightning damage.
8 lightning damage. Okay, cool. Also, something I forgot. Give me a wisdom saving throw. As you now hear this creature mumble.
Okay.
At the start of your turn था ये.
Okay, cool. I want to hear what it does, but I'll roll the wisdom saving throw. I have advantage on wisdom saving throws. That comes from somewhere. कहाँ से आता है ये? Oh, because of gnomish cunning. Since I'm a gnome, I get advantage on intelligence, wisdom, and charisma saving throws.
Okay. Nice.
तो wisdom बोला ना?
Yes.
That's a 4 on the first roll.
Okay.
That's a 17 on the second roll.
Nice.
Plus a 4, so 21.
You do succeed this one.
Would I be able to hear or understand what the mumbling is?
No. You are not able to decipher क्या बोल रहा है वो.
Okay. That is not my turn. I'm going to move. Actually, do I need to move? If I move,
Do you need to?
I don't need to move. You know what? Fuck
You have a
it.
good flanking position.
Yeah, I'm gonna stand my ground.
And you have so many pages like 4v1.
2v1. Let do 2v1. At most 3v1 because Chandramukhi will fight.
Okay, buddy. You didn't see the shining pistol that came onto the team.
True.
मैंने
Actually,
तो नहीं
Ompuri did
देखा।
not see. Yeah.
मैंने तो नहीं देखा।
वो क्रैक सुनाई देना
Manu.
चाहिए था.
मैं कैसे मान
हाँ।
लूं?
चल मैं तुझे मारता हूँ देखता दिखा.
Is that your turn,
That's
Ompuri?
my turn. That's my turn.
All right, Dinesh. It is your turn with number 2 up next. What are you doing?
I will roll an attack straight up because I am going to. I've seen this sword of mine just get electrified inside this demon's body, and I'm just going to continue from there. And I'm going to just, with the sword still on his stomach, just going to come down, all the way down. From there.
Okay.
Love it.
And I am guessing I get advantage because flanking.
Flanking will give you advantage. Yes.
Such terrible rolls. It's a 9 plus 6, but I mean that hits.
That
Yeah.
hits.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Nice.
You rolled with advantage?
Yeah.
Okay. Damn it.
First one was a 3. I will roll 2d6 plus 4.
Ooh,
So 4,
that is crazy.
so 3, 4 plus 3,
7,
7 plus 4,
11.
11. Slash. Damage.
You move your great sword उसके body में से नीचे ही. You're not able to completely slice it through. Your sword बीच में रुक जाता है, but it does 11 damage, right? All right, that is okay. ठीक है. Again, this one is looking pretty bad at this point. What are you doing next? Do you have a bonus action?
That's what I'm looking. No, I am just going to stare him into his eyes as I have pierced him downwards. I don't know where it stopped.
As you have pierced downwards, you see that Wo, along with the sword, kind of also kneels down on the ground, this creature, so that it kind of stops the motion of the sword
Oh,
going down.
shit.
Yeah, is that your turn?
That's my turn, yeah.
All right. It is now number 2's turn, and किधर गया? हाँ. All right. With this, as it's kneeling down on the ground, it grabs with its action. It is going to grab the great sword and pull it out, like forcing towards you, Dinesh. And it kind of falls down on the ground as well. There is this black smoke that arises. Within a second, the smoke goes away, and the creature is gone.
Oh,
We are out of combat.
Oh, shit.
ooh, crazy combat.
I want to ask one thing. This is like out of table thing, about table thing. Did we do the consider the blinded thing?
We did not. But that's
Okay.
fine.
Okay.
I would say that because I was still blinded, but my sword was still there. So for me,
Yeah.
all I had to do was just
Move.
Yeah.
Just
fair.
pull it down,
Still
yeah.
holding on
And
to
that's
the
why
thing.
you were not able to like successfully get it down also.
yeah.
Makes sense. And we are out of combat. What are you guys doing?
Guys, I just realized 1 घंटा भी हमने खेला है and not a single word was said by my character or I think even you guys. We were just like fighting. No voice
I
was
That's true.
used.
Dhananjay did go into
Dhananjay said
Amitabh
a little
Bachchan
bit.
mode.
No, I
Mono-
also said कि Dhananjay help me.
हाँ.
हाँ,
true,
तो बोला।
true.
All that whole
तुम
that.
दोनों ने नहीं बोला I think, yeah.
We're locked
बोला
in,
था
okay?
बीच में, Om,
Sure,
पूरी
buddy.
finish him ऐसा कुछ भी बोला था मैंने.
It was just you then. Okay. Chandramukhi, she's stepping forward towards Ompuri and
Yeah.
Dinesh, and as soon as she keeps her foot on a particular stone, suddenly these creatures vanish, and now she's just checking: is it the stone that made them go away? So I'm standing there.
Logic checks out. I help like Ompuri like get back up. Thought I put my shield back, give him his hand and like pat his like shirt है जो भी है.
तो lay on hands कर लेते तो अच्छा रहता. I don't say that. क्या था ये? क्या तुम में से किसी ने इस प्राणी को इसके पहले देखा था?
बिल्कुल नहीं.
As you are talking and like thoda like ऐसा getting back to your senses, Ompuri, you realize that all this while जो भू किताब थी तेरे पास, that was vibrating and now it has stopped vibrating.
वो किताब. And I take it out.
क्या हुआ
क्या
भूख हिसाब को?
याद है क्या कहा था रामू काका ने? इस भू किताब में एंट्री हो जाती है जब हम किसी भूत के आसपास होते हैं और and then I start flipping. First page, second page. And I keep flipping till I see
A
something.
few pages before वो चुड़ैल वाला page, something has appeared. Text, not a lot of detailed stuff. I'm putting it in the game chat.
ये रहा. Pishach. Pishach are born where Andhakar saturates violent death, madness, or taboo rituals. They feed on dead bodies and haunt the dreams of people. They wish for people's flesh much more than animals. Well, यहाँ पे जितने भी dead bodies है, ये शायद इन पिशाचों ने इन्हें खाया था. यहाँ पर और भी कुछ लिखा है. Signs of presence. Dreams of voices asking people to do violent acts. Sudden gaps in memory among याद है वो रेहान ने क्या कहा था? Wait, what was that guy's name again? प्रशांत नहीं, वो तो ये है. Fuck.
शांत तो नहीं था.
Husband का नाम क्या था?
Prakash,
प्रकाश. Okay, I was right. Okay. याद है रेहान ने क्या कहा था? प्रकाश को मेमोरी के इश्यूज थे, वो भूल गया था. Food rotting unnaturally fast.
ये भी भूल हो गया था पहले.
ये सब इसका ही खेल है मतलब.
Rites of release भी लिखा है यहाँ पर. Draw a circle with chalk, lure the Pishach into the circle, flood the area with bright light or radiant magic. The Pishach should burn away and fall lifeless in the circle, और फिर burn the body and let the ashes wash into flowing water. ये है तरीका इस पिशाच को नष्ट करने का.
अब तो ये पूरा ब्लैक स्मोक में निकल गया है. तो अगली बार अगर हम इनको देख लेंगे तो ये सब करना पड़ेगा. काफी मुश्किल होगा.
when तुम लोग ये बात कर रहे हो and you read the entire thing, while reading the Pishach wala page, Om, the book starts vibrating again.
Guys, the book is
जल्दी
vibrating again.
And
flipping pages again.
तुम लोग के आजू बाजू से you hear very like ऐसा voices of people crying, moaning, all around you, wailing.
Are these voices close to us?
Give me intelligence.
Could I help, Dinesh?
Yeah, I would say if like all of you are thinking, then one of you guys can roll with advantage.
You say intelligence roll, just flat intelligence.
Intelligence, yeah, flat intelligence.
ओमपुरी कहाँ से आ रही है आवाज?
ये इतना तो मेटा गेम चलता है, guys.
Yes, of course.
But कितना है तुम लोग का इंटेलिजेंस? I have a +4.
+1.
+2.
बिबाजी का -1 रहेगा देखना.
Intelligence, I think हाँ वो is. Wait, let me.
ऊपर देखना.
हाँ.
मतलब
अरे
sheet-
I'm
sheet
looking phone में तो.
Okay. Either way.
Just a second.
Is that intelligence
Oh
with
my
advantage or
God.
just flat?
क्या?
It's -2, not even 1. That's insane.
Guys, just for content purposes, how about we
Yeah.
let Chandramukhi take this? Because वो दूर खड़ी है, she can hear it much better. यहाँ पे हम book वगैरह flip कर रहे हैं.
It's your
I will-
call. तुम लोग के हिसाब से कर लो. Yes.
कुछ जगह find whatever.
I need to roll intelligence.
Go
no?
for it.
Yes.
Yeah.
With advantage or flat?
Flat.
Oh fuck.
Oh no. 11 -2. 9.
9. Okay.
Just for
तुम लोग को-
context, I
हाँ.
rolled a dice just to see and I got a nat 1, by the way.
Oh,
इसलिए.
we're fine then.
No, I rolled it now abhi.
Okay.
तुम लोग को you're not able to understand कहाँ से exactly आ रहा है. Almost कभी लगता है कि एकदम तुम्हारे बाजू में कोई खड़ा होके रो रहा है, एकदम कभी लगता है कि दूर किसी घर के अंदर कोई रो रहा है. It's multiple voices. आवाज कहाँ से आ रहा है ये समझ रहा नहीं है. But at a distance you see something start to move. बहुत दूर.
What direction? Oh,
Oh my
Oh?
God.
Multiple things. We are not in combat.
Hmm.
These things are just roaming around, ऐसे, not even roaming, like just literally floating. There's no feet that you see. It's almost as if, and they are ऐसा थोड़ा सा translucent with a kind of semi-smiling face, eyes that look like they don't have any iris, but थोड़ा सा ऐसा sad सा look है in the eyes, and they're just floating around in the area. Om, as you were looking through the Bhu Kitab to see कि और कुछ उस पे आया है क्या, you see a few pages after the Pishach. This.
I'm flipping through the pages, and suddenly it seems like text is appearing on it. ये देखो कुछ आया है इसमें. भटकती आत्मा. These spirits arise when Andhakar traps a soul that does not understand it is dead. The Bhatakti Atma is a bundle of the last emotions that the being felt before dying. It cannot communicate. It is hostile to anyone. It's guys, jaldi se chupo. It might be hostile. And as I say that, I'm like slowly taking a few steps piche towards the house, just so that I don't get in its vision. And I'm sort of nudging people to like come towards me and like hide.
I like hold the shield and I'm like the closest to them, but like back in the line essentially, if you guys are moving back.
Wait, do you read the entire thing? Or
No,
As
no,
he's
not yet.
reading, he's going
Not yet.
back.
Yeah.
Okay.
Also, as you guys are going back, you see that this Atma that was floating midway has now like disappeared.
Mhm.
Same thing happens with like these other Atmas. They disappear and then appear like somewhere else. And they are just walking. Or floating rather.
इसमें और भी लिखा हुआ है. Signs of presence. Repeated apparitions on lonely roads. Just like that. और वो देखो वहां पे दूर में. Echoes of the same phrase or cry. क्या ऐसी आवाजें आ रही है हमें?
Look,
Sudden lower temperatures. Freezing temps हो रहे हैं. Well, rites of release में क्या लिखा है? Okay, collect the proof of death of the Atma. या ये तो मतलब कुछ भी हो सकता है. Grave marker या body या bones. Calm the Atma. Ensure you convey that you mean no harm. Violence only strengthens its suffering. Okay, words of affirmation देना चाहिए हमें. Present proof of death. Light candles around the area of the item. Cast radiant light or magic on the Atma. Once the Atma becomes aware of the death, it shall attain Mukti. Well, what does this mean, Dinesh?
These are Atmas of the people that have died here. And as I'm saying that, I walk towards this dead body. Like him. Innocent people. Jo mar gaye. And guys, we need to let them go. We need to release them.
Oh, okay.
They
Kaise
are
kare?
suffering. I can feel it. You said something about something from their body.
Yes. We
proof of death.
What do I see anything on his body? This guy, like,
bones and body is proof of death.
okay. Ye raha bone and candles,
I
guys.
I remove a candles, 2 candles from my inventory, and I cast Druidcraft and light them up all together.
I keep the bones between those candles.
We need to calm the Atma as well. We need to
let's
make
just
sure.
talk to him.
Yes, we need to make sure the Atma knows that we come in peace.
Put my shield back and my pistol
Yeah, I put my great sword
holstered
back
again.
I
in.
put my screwdriver back.
As you have lit candles around ye wala body, suddenly like through this house का ऐसा wall के through one Atma appears. Floating, levitating in front of you.
I'll
And, like-
fall on my knees in front of the body, and I go into like a praying pose, and I tell the Atma, जो भी आप थे, जैसे भी आप थे, ये आपके साथ नहीं होना चाहिए था. And we are sorry you are no longer with us, but we are here to help. और हम आपको मुक्ति देना चाहते हैं so that you can move on to a better world.
दिनेश, जैसे तू ये बोलता है, यू सी इन अ वे जो ये आत्मा थोड़ा सा रेस्टलेसली वाज मूविंग अराउंड द बॉडी हैज थोड़ा सा slowed down and is just floating in its one stationary position right now.
पुलिस जी, आपका जो
समझ गया
आपने
मैं.
आपको शाइन किया था,
Okay, I look, I think for a little bit, and then I like look at the book again, which Om is holding, and then I say कि शायद और आसान होगा. इसमें लिखा है कास्ट मैजिक भी हो सकता है. मेरी जो भी मैजिक मैं कर सकता हूँ वो मारपीट से ही होती है.
I can try. मेरे लिए फ्री है ये चीज. Okay, out of game. When it says cast radiant light or magic on the Atma,
Just magic.
that
Yeah.
magic is just what, like just arcane energy?
It's mainly any form of magic that does radiant damage, basically.
Oh,
Oh. Oh.
Do
थोड़ा
we?
पीछे जाना पड़ेगा.
And I would
Unless
say,
you have.
Om Puri, you understand that
हाँ, so you can correct me also.
deciphering. Like you decipher वो comprehension तेरा correct है. Where you understand that radiant light or magic means, mechanically speaking, anything that does radiant damage.
Here's a question. Do you think casting bless would work? It's
I
not
would-
damage,
right?
but it's bless.
I would say it would, because that would, for this context, I would say it can be considered as radiant light.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Unless Om is doing anything, then I will like think to the radiant stuff, and I think of one of the magics that I did learn in my journey, and I just try it without knowing if it works. I slowly like approach the Atma that is floating there, and my hand like reaches ahead, and like I close my eyes, and then when I open them, there's like my hand basically starts faintly glowing, and there's like a warm presence around it, and I cast bless on that creature basically.
When your hand starts glowing, all of you guys, as Dhananjay has closed his eyes, you see that this Atma also starts glowing and slowly starts becoming more and more transparent as it fades out of existence. And suddenly, one wail, one cry less is what you hear ये area में.
A tear falls down my eyes. Guys, this is what we are supposed to do. We need to help all of these poor souls. सबको मुक्ति दिलानी है. Be fearless. Let's go. And I like walk towards this body. And,
behind him.
So that was-
and get those candles.
I bring the
Uh,
candles.
so-
Yeah.
So here's another thing.
Mhm.
My bless is a concentration, and it goes for 1 minute.
You can break
but-
your concentration.
Yeah, but it's more like bless is usually for up to 3 creatures, right? So am I doing a bless, casting a bless every time, or is it like within the same bless?
If you want to do within the same bless, I would say give me an Arcana check in a way that you are kind of using this bless to like not in its regular
Yeah, in
way.
the regular context, yeah.
Yeah, in the regular
Um,
context, you're using it in a slightly different way. So maybe we are able to, depending on your arcana. We'll
I
see.
would
also
put my hand on Dhananjay Lathi and channel whatever arcane powers I can towards into him, because I know that this takes energy for Dhananjay.
can I ask when I see this? Can I ask them to be like, guys, wait. Before we do this, we can just bring all of their uh, items together and finish this once for all together. So let us just quickly get all the items from these people, bones or whatever you find, and we can just finish all of this in one go.
Okay.
So can I just quickly go and get the items?
All the bodies
Yeah.
essentially. We'll help you like pick up the
Yeah.
bodies.
Yeah, I would say all of you guys kind of go around and get the bodies in like
Yeah,
the more
and then we'll meet
central
somewhere
part.
like here, but somewhere in the middle.
Huh.
Yeah.
And we
Uh,
walk like slowly without like we walk carefully to show that we are not
Yeah,
you know,
yeah.
doing anything.
No
there.
sudden
Yeah.
movements.
bring slowly go there, bring their items, place them very respectfully, separate next to those candles, and I tell them, guys, join me, all of you,
We
on
hold
your
hands.
knees, hold hands, and let's say all of you, poor people who died recklessly. We don't know what did this to you, but we will avenge you. We mean no harm. We will help you move on to a better life. So help us help you. And now I will just like look towards Dhananjay and Umpuri.
You see more Atmas appear and they are floating around the bodies that you have collected together.
Do I do my reroll then? Do I get a help?
Did you roll? Yeah, roll Arcana.
I
ab
my
tak? Nahi
first
na?
roll I did, I got a 3, but if I get a help action, then I will roll
Yes,
again.
you did get help, no, from
Yeah,
Om.
okay. Please. Why? How, guys? How does this happen?
What happened?
I mean, I guess I get a 3 with advantage because I got a nat 1 in this one.
Oh
I
my
guess-
god.
I guess I get a
Fuck.
3.
That's fine. So that's your bless
plus
is
1,
like
4.
limited to 3 uses, right?
Yeah, so I would say that I mean I anyways itna time varega I'm willing to like cast it again basically.
Yeah, but what I'm saying is
Yeah.
like with the 3 you can
Mhm.
like बचे हुए casts में से you can like cast it on 2 creatures at the same time with the 3
Hmm.
score.
Okay, so is that what essentially happens now?
Yes, so you bless once and that affects like 2 creatures in front of you,
Okay, and then
and
I
the
do
next
one
time you
more
cast
bless.
bless, oh, there's 4 only. Okay.
Yeah, so yeah, essentially I cast it twice and I end up blessing.
Yes, same thing. All of you guys see these souls very peacefully uh, start glowing and then fade out of existence. And as each of them fades out, every like एक जो wail, एक cry जो तुमको सुनाई दे रहा था, that starts going away. And slightly the air around this region starts getting not warmer but less cooler. While that happens and you guys are getting वापस like getting back into your elements and
Huh.
coming back to the main quest at hand, ओमपुरी, जो घर से you had felt detect magic before, वहां पर you hear a sobbing voice.
Only him?
वो direction से. Yes. I would say all of you guys actually, not just him. All of you guys
Flipping
from
through the
that general
pages.
direction.
Flipping through the page, I'm just looking at stuff if there's more, and then suddenly आत्माएं तो
Guys.
चली गई, लेकिन Do you hear it?
Let's go.
No, but we should be very careful. वहाँ पर कुछ बहुत ही powerful magical presence मुझे feel हुआ था. Let's be very careful. Perhaps if we are within range, if we are lucky, the भू किताब will vibrate again और हमें और जानकारी मिलेगी कि वहाँ पर क्या है.
I'm just going to like put my hands around Om and like Om, जो भी है वहाँ पर उसने इन सबको मारा है. People that did not deserve to die, and like you can see his like veins are popping. He's like extremely angry. And it's like हम जा रहे हैं, हम carefully जाएंगे, but हम जा रहे हैं. And I'll like just start dragging him धीरे धीरे towards the house. धीरे धीरे.
मैं तो वैसे भी जाने ही वाला था. मुझे क्यों खींच रहे हो?
I look at Chandramukhi and then I ask her like, ठीक हो तुम?
मार दिया उन्हें. I think
Guys,
I'll be able to.
हम बात में भी कर सकते हैं. चलो.
हाँ चलते चलते
Fully, yeah. So when you're talking, I'm just like upset and irritated. I'm like, बात में कर सकते हैं. कोई मर रहा है यहाँ पर.
Do we hear anything as we get closer?
Yes, as you get closer, the crying sound, the sobbing sound. This crying is thoda sa different than what you heard earlier. This is not the loud cries, the loud wailing sounds जो थे वैसे नहीं है. These are like very silent sobs that you hear. As you get closer, you can hear कि वो those are coming from inside the house. Very ऐसा muffled.
Do I see a window?
You do not see anything. Actually, give me, as you like go onto the thing, like वो रास्ते की तरफ when you peek in, give me a perception roll.
Four.
You do not see anything. The road is completely clear as you like peek in. Nothing.
Guys, there's nothing here. I think it's safe.
बेटा आवाज तो आ रही है.
अभी भी आ रही है?
हाँ.
Do you guys
दरवाजा.
see a window or a darwaja in that house?
There is a darwaza, yes.
Is it this side? यहाँ पे?
Yes.
Guys, मैं जाके पीक करने वाला हूँ धीरे से.
Slowly, Dinesh.
हाँ, धीरे से जा रहा हूँ.
Go for it.
I stand
I
like right
go
beside
very
behind you.
slowly, very sneakily
My shield is out again.
towards the darwaja.
As you are you opening the door or
Is it closed? Okay, great.
it is closed, but it does not seem like it's locked.
I am going to ऐसे हल्का सा peek.
Ready or not?
मतलब are you ऐसा kneeling करके like crouching and opening or
I'm
खड़े
more
होके
like
है?
खड़े होके.
But like slouched थोड़ा सा ऐसा.
हाँ, the door opens out inside.
Inside, yeah.
Right? So I'm just going to test it out first if it's like, halka sa moving. And if it has a give, then I'm going to like slowly just enough to see if I see anything inside.
Roll perception again. As you see inside, there is, you roll thoda sa, it's completely dark inside. जो भी थोड़ा बहुत light आ रहा है through the windows उतना ही, apart from that, nothing much.
6.
What are these rolls?
So bad.
With a 6, you do not see anything particular, but you do see another one of these Atmas that is roaming inside. And you're not sure if you saw something else move as well.
I'm going to like quickly close the door, turn back towards Om, who's right next to me, and I'm going to whisper, Atma inside. There is another Atma. Needs to be released.
Okay. That's easy. Doable.
But I don't see anything else.
Are you sure?
I have a bad feeling. I don't see anything else. I saw one Atma.
I reach for my Bhu Kitab. Is it vibrating?
It's not.
अजीब है.
अभी तक तो भू किताब वाइब्रेट नहीं हो रही. आई थिंक इसका मतलब कुछ नया तो नहीं होगा यहाँ पर. आई थिंक
ठीक
वी
है.
गो इन.
किसी के पास लाइट है?
I do.
आई कैन क्रिएट लाइट.
Okay. Lead the way. When I say lead the way, I'm still like standing right next to him.
Yeah.
In case.
Yeah.
Guys,
I
aajao.
slightly open the door a little bit. I peek inside. I see the I see what's
You see the Atma.
sobbing. Yeah, I see the Atma. And I'm going to cast Prestidigitation.
Mm-hmm.
Are there any scones and candles and stuff inside this house?
You cannot tell. There might be. Generally, houses do have it. Oh, also, मतलब, electricity से चलता है most of like this world,
True.
which is magical, which would be affected by prestidigitation, I would say.
And as a master of
Knowledge of layout.
knowledge of houses and
True.
where electric bulb candles and everything is usually there, it's what I do for a
Tube light
living,
what?
man. It's what I do for a living. Do I see things basically with prestidigitation? I'm going to try to light these candles and torches inside the house.
as you cast prestidigitation, hoping from where you are, तेरे को दिख नहीं रहा है कि अंदर कुछ light, bulb, candle कुछ है या नहीं. So you cast prestidigitation, hoping that there would be some form of lighting equipment. As the prestidigitation is like the spell is released from you, धीरे धीरे you do feel there is one tube light, there is another tube light, there is another bulb. All of them light up, and the room that is dark is flooded with light, visible enough to see kya hai. The Atma that you saw, as the light comes in, suddenly just vanishes, achanak se. But there is something else in the center of this room. There is a fan.
Oh.
To the fan, there is a rope that is coming down. To the rope, there is a noose. Around the noose is tied around the neck of what seems to be a human male. As you see this, any one of you who wants to give me a perception check.
Someone please
Perception.
go for it, guys. मेरे से तो नहीं हो रहा भाई perception आज.
I have a plus
I-
4.
I can.
Okay.
I have plus
Go ahead.
5. Please, good roll. 12 plus 5.
Nice. 17.
17. Chandramukhi, while this, like, ye scene lights up in front of you, you have been around a lot of weird situations that, yes, okay, there is a man dead hanging from the fan, but your eyes, as a natural thief, your eyes immediately scan the rest of the room ki aur kya dikh raha hai yahan pe. At like just under the feet of this person on the floor, you see a paper that is folded into like 2 or 3 folds that is just fallen. Nothing else on the floor. Like there's a stool that is fallen off. Apart from that, nothing much on the floor.
Okay. I will. I can use Druidcraft for multiple things, no? Like कोई भी effect create करने के लिए. I basically I'll make the wind blow in such a way that that paper comes towards us.
चंद्रमुखी, मैं मेरे मेज हैंड से ला सकता हूँ उसे.
You have not noticed it, Om. Only Chandramukhi out of the
Yeah.
4 of you
Yeah.
have noticed it.
I
has
think
noticed it.
naturally I would want to go and cut the body down from the noose. So I'm just going to like start stepping towards the body.
I stop him and do I get the paper towards
क्या हुआ
us?
चंदू की?
With the druidcraft, yes, you do get the paper.
Yeah, so
क्यों रोक रहे हो मुझे?
slide all the chudiya that I've worn when I tried to stop Dinesh. You can hear that. And then I get the paper. Yeah, and then I just gesture. Yeah. And then like
Oh.
I am going to try to read it.
As you open the note, you see only 2 lines written on it. I am sorry, Baba. मैं ये नहीं कर पाया. Signed, Prakash.
No.
And that is where we end the episode.
No.
Rip.
क्या नहीं कर पाया प्रकाश?
And जो भूत रो रही थी
वही था ना?
That's probably Prakash's आत्मा, right?